Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix calls going straight to voicemail on iPhone. So for this, I have few ways. The first one is swipe from the top to bottom and make sure your network signal strength is good enough, because this happens due to the weak signal strength of your network. Now turn on the airplane mode for a few seconds, and after turning it on, turn it off and check the signal strength. Another way is open your mobile phone setting. Scroll down and click on the option apps. Once you will click on the option app, scroll down to the last until you see the option phone. Once you see click on it, and here click on the option block contacts, and make sure that number is not in this list. Because if that number is in this list, then you will not receive any call. And if that is, then find that number and remove it from your block contacts. Another way is go back and click on the option silence unknown call and make sure this option is turned off. If this option is on, then you will not get a notification from your iPhone. So make sure this option is off. Last thing is swipe down to the top and make sure do not disturb option is turn off. And if it is turn on, then click on it and turn it off. So make sure this option is turned off. And these were the ways by which you can solve your problems.